Hi guys, welcome to Tech Hacks. Today I'm going to show you how to increase your RAM to speed up your mobile phone's performance. It's actually very quite simple to do. Simply go to settings. There you find the called storage. There you find a here go to internal storage. There you find a word called cached data. Once it loading, you simply clear the cache data. Yeah, now it's showing like 366 MB of cache data has been used. If you clear this cache data, the phone performance will automatically gets increased. You can see a difference in the phone usage, and the other option will be stopping the running apps on the background. That will be available on the developer options. Go to developer options. There you find a word called running services. Click on that running services. There you can find what are those apps that are currently running now. You can see lots of apps are running in the background. You can simply stop these applications to boost up your RAM memory. Yeah, these things are no need to run. So stop these apps so that your phone gets increased speed and increased performance. That's it guys. If your phone hangs for a long time, just simply reboot your device. It will automatically clear all those cached data. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my channel Tech Hacks for more videos.